Hello everyone, this is Kea.
And this is Jennifer.
We are here to show you Kea Web. Kea Web allows teachers to create different activities, quizzes, and surveys, like flashcards, matching games, and whatever you normally put on quizzes and surveys. If you have a student account, you can see your grades, play the activities your teacher made. Email them and join a classroom by code if a teacher made one. Another big advantage of Kea Web is that it is fun and keeps students engaged. Here's the link to Kea Web. It's simple to set this up. You just need to create a free 30-day trial account. If you decided to stick with Kea, you can subscribe to it. Here is your profile if you have an instructor account, and the classrooms.
Right here you see a test classroom that I've made. It is empty now, but as you get more students, it will be filled up. And here's the activities area. You can make different activities. Here's a test one I made. It's a hangman game. Next are the quizzes. I've made a sample quiz. And these are the questions. Next is the surveys area. You can create different surveys and different questions. Next is the questions bank, where it allows you to organize and manage your quiz questions. And I'll hand it back to Kea. Alright, guess not. Next is the files area. It's empty right now because I did not upload anything. Next is the calendars area, where you'll see future events, such as the test I made, or you can add another event. Next is the shared activities area, where you'll find different activities made by other users. Next is find a teacher, where you'll be able to find a teacher by looking up their name. This is the comments section. Next is the tutorial center, where you can find answers to your different questions, such as what is the quiz and what are the 10 types of quiz questions. Next is about Kea. Like the section name says, it's about Kea, different informations. And next is request brochures, where you can download a PowerPoint presentation or Adobe PDF presentation about Kea. Or you can use this area to request brochures. The buttons on top are pretty clear cut. Home for home, account for account information, fact for facts about Kea, about section about Kea, and log out to log out. As you can see, this tool requires an internet connection and account. No internet or account, no access. However, the plus side is that this is easily accessible on mobile devices and computers. This is Jennifer.
And this is Kea.
Signing off.